Go on.
Hello, I'm Carol Egner and this is the Fruitful Forest Garden in Aberdare in Fife in Scotland. And this is the Living Water Research Centre. So in Living Water we use plants and fungi and natural products, natural solutions to treat pollution. This research centre is based on these storage tanks which we fill with the effluent that we're trying to treat. So that could be distillery effluent or from a brewery or from anaerobic digestion plants, from landfill sites, any kind of liquid effluent really. We fill that in here and then we would create biofilters, which these cages here, we line them with a natural textile like hessian, and we'll fill it with a different natural substrate depending on what we're trying to treat. So it might be straw, hemp, barley, wood chip of different types of trees depending what it is, and then we inoculate it with different types of fungi and bacteria until we get the right combination to treat the type of effluent we're looking for. And we can circulate our effluent. It gets pumped into these biofilters. It trickles like a trickle filter down through the biofilter, and all the fungi and bacteria they basically colonise the substrate that they're living on, and then they start to eat the pollutants that are in the effluent. Then we bring it down here, it comes down through a series of 3 wetlands, and these are bespoke designed wetland systems by Living Water. We have 3 of them here, and then we capture the effluent at the bottom, and we can sample the effluent after every stage, so after the biofilters and after each of these wetlands. We analyse the samples, and we do a water analysis looking at chemical oxygen demand, biological oxygen demand, ammonia and various heavy metals. We've got a little lab here in our van. We can analyse that. If it's clean enough we can pump it up to our ponds and use it to fill our ponds, or we can use it to irrigate the polytunnel or the forest garden, any of our other growing components. If it's not clean we can just recycle it back up into here and just keep recycling it until it's clean. And in this way we've managed to develop a carbon negative solution to treating ammonia, which accounts for about 5% of the country's energy use. Totally carbon negative, no energy involved at all. And the wetland cells, so these small ones have about 20 to 25 different native species in it that are all known for treatment. On a commercial scale we do this, it can have 50 to 60 different species. And we can also add in other components like a swale to deal with any floods, and we can also put in willow coppices to do evapotranspiration so that you don't need a water outlet. You don't need to have a discharge point into a river or something. We can actually use up all of the effluent if we create a willow coppice and other natural features. So it's all about natural solutions for dealing with pollution.